Hi everyone and welcome back to the MEP QA Pro channel. Today I'm excited to announce the launch of brand new series on this channel, which is inspection series. How you will do an inspection like WIR, work inspection, material inspection, MIR inspection at site or at your store. So today I'm going to start with material inspection for drainage pipes. Whenever you are receiving material at site, so what is your role to do the inspection internally with your site team and your store team prior to prior to offer to the consultant or client? So as a QA/QC engineer or as a QA/QC inspector, you have to do internal inspection in order to make sure that whatever the material received at site is as per as proof your approved submittal, approved brand or approved specification. Everything should be checked. So today I'm going to share with you all the checkpoints how you can conduct an inspection internally. Because as a QA/QC engineer, you must do an internal inspection. You should not go directly inspection with consultant. Otherwise, if something is wrong with the material, you may get NCR, you may get screwed by your team, or you may get screwed by your manager. So to avoid all such circumstances with you, you need to do an inspection correctly and precisely. So without wasting time, let's get started. So welcome to our comprehensive guide to internal inspection at site. As a QA/QC professional, this is presentations outline the critical checkpoint of inspection for underground drainage pipe or above ground drainage pipes, all the types of drainage pipes which you are gonna use at your site or at your project. Okay, let's go to the next section. So underground drainage pipe, MIR inspection, material inspection. So how the first thing what you have to do when you get notification from your site team or project team that we have received some material at site which we are going to be used at site for execution for installation. So prior to any installation, you need to ensure that the material arrived at site is approved from your consultant or from the client. So the first thing is what you have to do is you will do the internal inspection with your team. You will for before doing internal inspection, what are the things you should have with your hand? So you will go there and to verify the things. So the first thing what you will do, you will go and check the material approval or material submittal approval. So you will check the submittals, technical submittal. You will see okay the material submittal is approved. Then from the material submittal you will go to the data sheet or the material schedule. What you will check, you will check the schedules. Okay, what are the types of sizes to be used at your site, what is their standard and codes, which will I will show you in the next in a couple of time what is standard and codes. So you will take that data for the standard and codes. Then you will verify okay which brand and make is approved for your project. This all things you will get it from the material submittal. Then once you have this all data, you have your front page from the material submittal is approved, there's no comment, everything is closed. Then from the material submittal you will take the material schedule data where the detail of the pipe size, code and standard everything is mentioned. Then you will check okay which brand is approved, which supplier is approved, which local supplier is approved in the material submittal. When you have all these things with you, then you will have a delivery note with you. From there you will verify the quantity, what are the quantities are received for each types of pipe size. From there you will verify it. Then after that you will go to the store. or you'll go to the site wherever the material is delivered or where the material is kept. The first thing is you will not look anything from your submittal, technical, brand, anything. First thing you need to ensure that the material which arrive at site has no damage, no discolor, no deviation, anything is there. The the material should should keep under the sun, means a shaded, it should be under shaded area. Then materials alignment is properly kept, all the there will no sagging and all, the material is no damage from anywhere side, everything is perfect. Then after that you will move to the your material submittal, your codes and standard you will verify. For example, this is a one example from my side. I have one of projects which is ongoing, recently is completed. From there I took some data from my QQC engineer. He shared with me some data. So suppose this is a standard which is mentioned in the your submittal, that you will use Flowtech UPVC pipes fittings are manufactured as per flowing standard above ground BSEN 13291 2000. So this is your standard which is for above ground. So whatever the sizes which come for above ground, that should be 13291. So this is the standard which is approved as per your submittal. So for this submittal, it is approved 13291. This standard supersede 1451931. So all this is the latest standard which is 1329, which is supersede all the other standard, which you should not look on that. You will see the latest standard which is applied in your project. So for above ground, you will use the pipe it BSEN 13291. So this is for your above ground. Then you will come to the below ground pipes. Whatever the pipe you will use under the raft, under the slab, everything that should be 14011. That is the standard of that pipe. The next thing you will come to the color. So above ground and below ground, what are the colors, especially for the above ground? You will have 1329, which we already seen in the last standard, which the color will be gray, and the below ground which you will use is 1401, which we already know from the last standard, and the color will be orange, brown, or terracotta. This is the color for this two standard. So what we have learned is below ground we will use 1401, above ground we will use 13291. Color is gray and orange. So this, from there you will catch everything. You check now you will check in the delivered pipe what is that mentioned. So before that, first of all I would like to introduce that I have WhatsApp community which is known as MEP QA. Here where you will get your colleagues, friends, expertise people are there in this group. You can share your knowledge or you can get all the exclusive resource whatever the its availability. So because so many people ask me how I can join your WhatsApp community. So there is a scan code. You can either scan it or you will be have link is here. From there you can join directly to our WhatsApp community. I will put this link in the I will put this link in the YouTube in the comment section so that you can get access. But those who can able to scan it, you can easily scan the code and you can go directly to the joining section. So let's go to the our topic. So now we will understand between, as we know we will under as we know the standard is 1329 and 1401. This is our standard, right? This is the standard which we have to use. So let's go back to the topic. Let me use that span. So this is the standard which we know 1329 and 140. So first thing we will understand what is the difference between 1401 and 1329. As you know 1329 you will use above ground, 1401 which you will use for below ground. This is we already know. that this is the difference between these two standard. The pressure rating will be same, is no doubt. The size, the pipe size, see this all data you will get it from your material submittal. From there you will need to match the deliver item. So the first thing you will match is what standard mentioned in the pipe, this two, one and two. What is your pipe size, this pipe size and fitting. The pipe size for above ground is coming like 36 mm to 135, which is under your project requirement, and the below ground is 110 to 400 mm. This is we are receiving normally. We already know the light gray for the below ground, sorry, above ground, and the orange color is for the below ground. Then visual appearance, how you can identify the difference will be same, there will be smooth, clean, and everything will be fine. Ended piping fitting is there, so you can plug it. Density, there will be density of gravity, so that the slope will be normal, which is same for both. Then resistance, this all you need to go more detail, but yes, for the knowledge you understand. So this chloromet, no attack of any surface of pipe 15-degree, no attack on surface, this both will be same. Resistant types, it's mentioned there will be no cracked because it's pressurized under zero point 0.5 bar. Normally it's already less than that, so there will be no chances of crack. Then effect of heating, if there is a fire in this in the building, so the fire should have come up to 150-degree, then for 30 minutes, then there will be chances after 30 minutes there are chances of crack. But so far there will be nothing happen. So these are the difference between the 1329 and 140. So I hope you will understand what is the difference and where it is applied. So 1329 is above ground, 1401 below ground. So that is what we have to know. So the next things, yeah, this is the photo of the drainage pipe which you need to go to your store or your site area, how you can reach. First of all, the first thing you need to check is brand. This the first thing you need to check brand. This is modern plastic flow tech. As we know, as we seen in our last video, that the brand I will show you again. I will show you again here. The flow tech, right? This is the brand is there. Flow tech, you will see pipe fittings are manufactured. So coming back to topic. So the flow tech is already there. That's so so the brand is correct, right? Then 13291, which is we already know it's coming for above ground. 13291. In the same way, you will have like here. If you can see, if you can see here in the orange pipe, it's also mentioned Flowtech 13291. So in the same way, there will be another pipe size or pipe which will have 1401, which you will use for the below ground. So this is just an example to show you how you can catch at site, how you can know that your pipe is delivered as per your project specification and approved submittal. The thing is you need to check that your checkpoint is the brand, then your checkpoint is your standard, then here we hide it because of some reason. Here your uh, your your brand, your pipe is coming for which country, so you need to see the country name. For this specific area it is a local company, so we have hide its name, that is like India, UAE, or Saudi, so that mention here. So you need to ensure as per your location, your and your country of origin, it should be here. I hope it is clear that you need to your checkpoint start from from manufacture, then standard, then it is country of origin. This is our standard BSEN 1329. So this is all about the material inspection doing internally with your site team and by yourself. You should have knowledge that which kind of brand, which kind of standard, and country of origin where it's coming from. Then s- once this is fully completed and you are satisfied that yes, the product delivered at site is based on our site requirement, then you will go and submit your material inspection, which I already covered how you will do the material submission and material inspection preparation. You can see, you can watch in my last previous video, I have made it already, how to prepare and submit the material inspection and what are the requirement, what are the documents are required to submit. That is already covered in my last video. I hope this is clear and very, because in the last few days I have conducted so many interviews. I asked the people, I asked the engineers, even the fresher plus the experience 1, 2, 3 years. They are not able to say that how they are doing internal inspection. I asked them what are the checkpoint you will do, not me. If you are going for any interview question, they will ask you what are the checkpoint you will do during your internal inspection and how you do are willing to understand that the product delivered at site correctly. So your checkpoint I already cleared that brand, standard, country of origin, pipe size, everything you need to mention, check and clear it. That's it. This is very simple things, but I'm not able to get any clear answer from anyone. So that's why I started this series to make everyone educate, plus to make them understand what they are doing at site is not just a paperwork. You need to understand your technical things which are involving and involved at site. So guys, thank you very much, and I hope this video you like it. And if you enjoyed very well, enjoying this video, please like and subscribe and comment. I want you guys to comment your requirement, what you guys are looking for, what you need to understand, what are the things you are facing at your site. Let me know through the WhatsApp community, or you can mail me to the QAQC expert at the red gmail.com. This is our for sure our team will help you to get things clear. So bye bye guys, thank you very much and see you in the next video. Thank you.